Hey, good afternoon, 1:08 p.m. It's March 21, 2025. This topic is all about how to use the promotion of 100% deposit bonus. So, paano ba natin magagamit yun? So, kung hindi nyo magamit sa first time deposit nyo, okay lang yun. It's okay na hindi nyo siya magamit. Kasi mas maganda magamit is for doubling amount for the bigger capital. So kung may 1,000 US dollar ka, it can double for the $2,000. So kung 100 lang yung gagamitin mo, $100 lang din ang madadagdag doon. So $200. So ang maganda dito, ipunin mo yung $100 up to $1,000. Ipanpunin mo muna sa market, then withdraw mo, then ipasok mo ulit, then use the promotion 100% bonus. So itong 100% bonus is one-time use only for your account. And if you want to use it again, it's not advisable pero pwede. You can use it another account. So you make another account and new certification, new IDs, and anything. So, paano ba? So, share natin yung screen natin. So, pumunta na ako sa PU Prime Portal para ma-visualize nyo guys. So, dito yung home ng PU Prime. So, nasan ba yung na nasan ba yung yung area na para makuha yung promotion is this promotion. You can click this and nandun yung 100% bonus. So you need to click this guys. 100% bonus. Pag nandito na kayo, yun, lalabas to. Then deposit now. You can click this. And pag dito kayo nakapag-deposit, automatically they double your amount of money guys. So enter the amount, 100 USD, then continue. And pupunta ka sa modes of payment guys. Modes of payment. So meron tayong credit and debit card, you can use it. Or the Philippine Instabank Transfer, then continue, and pamimili kayo dito. It's either Maya or GCash. So, tapusin natin, pero hindi ko itutuloy. So, piliin nyo yung GCash for QR code para scan na lang. Pwede rin GrabPay and Pay Maya. So, kung magpe-pay now, pindutin nyo yan, then pay now, then magkakaroon ka ng GCash na QR code. So, ganun ang pagbayad. At ito yung babayaran mo. After nun, mapapansin mo, yung $100 mo, ginawa niya $200. So, hindi natin ito itutuloy kasi hindi naman tayo magde-deposit. At para makuha lang yung 100% bonus is ganun ang ginagawa. So, back natin. Balik tayo sa PU Prime. Then makikita nyo dito yung capital nyo na lalabas. 100 yung deposit, gagawin niyang 200 automatically kung ginawa mo yung ginawa ng deposit na. So ganun lang guys, itong video na to is for how to use the 100% deposit bonus. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. So stop share tayo. Okay.